Let's look at this. It says, in an AP, the 10th term is 68. Y its fourth term is 26. Find A, common difference, B, the first term. This question will lead to simultaneous equation. The third term is what? 68. And the fourth term is 26. Nothing is given to us again. To work this further, we can say it's equals to A plus N, which is 10 minus 1. We don't know D. The same thing with this A plus 4 minus 1. We don't know D, because this is N, N. This is 10, 10. Using the formula, this plus N minus 1 D. Okay? So now, with this, we can call this equation 1. I call this equation 2. So let's simplify further, okay? That is to say, we're going to have 68 as equal to A plus 9D, 26 as equal to A plus 3D, okay? What we are going to do now, we're going to subtract this from this. Minus here, this minus this will give us 42. This will strike out, remaining, this will give us 6D. You agree with me? If we divide both sides by 6, D therefore is equals to 7. So we have D now. How do we get A? We take one of them. I can take the second one. 26 equal to A we are looking for, 3 multiplied by D. Our D now is 7. That is 26. If you multiply this, is 21, and move it to this side, that is 21 equals to A. So this will give us 5. A therefore is equals to 5, okay? So we have D as 7 and A as 5, okay?